Is my hair okay? Good morning, it's our first full day in Tallinn.
We just made our way down to the harbor area because it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so we figured it might be better to visit the old town where there's a lot of cafes and restaurants, so pretty much where we can shelter tomorrow instead of today. Although we only travel about an hour and a half from where we live in Sweden, there's a big difference when it comes to the weather.
Autumn is already here. Wearing gloves, scarf, a lot of clothes, and it's quite windy.
I really hope that the wind doesn't mess up the audio, because it did that yesterday. So a lot of the material we recorded for yesterday's vlog ended up in the bin. So fingers crossed that it will be better today.
It's gonna mess up my hair then.
Oh, mine too. Normally I have a pretty good idea about what we are going to do each day when we are traveling, but today I have no clue at all, because today Sandra's done the planning.
So we're just gonna wing it.
We made our way down to City Hall. It's in the harbor area, and it's this massive, cool Soviet Union style building.
If you climb all the stairs up to the top, you get a very great view of Tallinn.
And it's only about a 5 or 10 minute walk from the city center, so it's well worth it. Crafted beer is a big thing in Estonia, and in Tallinn there are several microbreweries, and we just stumbled across one of them. And of course we have to try out what they have to offer, and there's so much to choose from. So I know I went for a hazy IPA, and were you?
I took a sweet stout.
You guys?
We agree, this was very good. It's normal lager. Cheers.
Cheers. On our way to an area called Kalamaja. It's kind of a bohemian area with colorful houses. This is such a beautiful area. Kind of calm today. It's Friday afternoon, but it's very, very calm. I like it. Today they have reconstructed the area and it's supposed to be really nice. Let's check it out.
It's quite the opposite from Kalamaja with all its old wooden houses. This is a really modern area, but it's a really cool area. I can see why it's popular in the summertime. So we just stopped for a quick bite to eat and now we're heading to another tap room. There are plenty of them here in Tallinn and we're not going to visit them all, but this one is on our way back to the hotel. So we figured we might just drop in and have one more quick taste before going back to the hotel.
You can really smell the yeast from the process of brewing the beer.
So we went for number 24.
Really dark stout. It's sweet, it's rich, it's really good. It's like a dessert.
You look tormented.
But it is good. But to drink it slow and really enjoy every sip.
I understand that the dogs barks because I have no earthly idea what this is. I've never seen anything like it. So weird.
We are heading back to the hotel to refresh and reload before dinner. So this is it for now. Today we've been walking for 6 hours. So for the night we are exploring our own backyard. We are living at the Noblessner Plaza. And tonight, it's pizza night.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how happy are you right now?
11 and a half.
So we just finished the pizzas. It's 9 o'clock and I think we're ready for bed.
We are so ready.
So we'll pick it up again tomorrow, and tomorrow it's time to visit the old town. I'm really looking forward to that.
Good night.